Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Family Dollar haul to share with you guys. I've not been to the Family Dollar in forever. Also, side note, it's probably going to be a little noisy right now. The dog is eating, the TV is on, everyone is home, and I don't live in make-believe YouTube land where everything is silent and quiet, and I film in whenever I can. So I want to do ribbon in my Christmas tree this year, so I picked up some wired ribbon, and these were $1 each. This one is, and it's a candy cane kind of print, peppermint print, candy print, white and red stripes. And this one is, I wish there was only one of these, or I would have picked up two, but to pair with that one, unless I can find another one very similar to that one, also for $1, 9 feet this one is, and it is red sheer with white snowflakes, but I still think they're going to pair really nicely together throughout the tree. And I found Connor a new cup. I've already washed this. I actually literally just got done washing this, so it is a little wet, but it comes with a lid. This was $1 a lid. They had red and green and blue to choose from. There was a snowman, there was Santa, and there was a reindeer, I believe. And Connor likes green too, so I picked him up the reindeer. And it comes with a curly straw, a crazy straw, and it looks all cool inside of there. That was only $1. Yeah, I also needed some cotton products, so I did pick up the Modessa brand cotton rounds, 80 count, and these were $1. And they have these in different sizes that you can choose from. They look very similar to the DollarTree ones. I just needed them to clean stamping plates with and stuff, so it really doesn't matter to me. And then I needed these for polish removal, and I just picked up the Super Jumbo cotton balls, 60 count. Also had these in various different sizes of bags at different prices, and these were $1. Now on to the fun beauty finds. The only Family Dollar left in town, and it was pretty picked over. I'm not gonna lie, like, I was hoping to find some of the new Ellie Colors nail polishes there and some other new Ellie Colors stuff there, but I didn't find any of that. Did find some new Christmassy Ellie Colors kind of releases, so I'm going to share those with you too. But first off, everyone knows how much I love these Ellie Colors Neon Gel Eyeliners, or the Ellie Colors Gel Eyeliners, and I've been finding them 3 colors at the Dollar General for $2 each. I believe this was $2 as well, but it's a shade that I do not own. These are so soft and creamy and long lasting for only a couple dollars. The black one is super black and nice, and this one's just a neon blue. So I'm going to continue to pick these up in every shade I can find in store. Absolutely beautiful. And also picked up the Ellie Colors Lip Oil. I believe this is $3.50 online. Same for the gel eyeliners. I think they're $3 or $3.50 online. And these were only $2 each in store. So $2 for the lip oil as well. They had like a strawberry or a raspberry one. I think they had a mint or vanilla. And they had like a this honey bun one. I picked up honey bun, and this is infused with gold. Just really pretty and fun. I already opened it. They're really nice and moisturizing on the lips. For the Christmassy display, they were just put this out. I found the Ellie Colors Angled Makeup Sponge, and in the past I've tried their makeup sponges. I didn't like them. It wasn't very nice and soft. It just wasn't good. But I'm hoping this one's slightly different than that one. I'm hoping this one's a bit softer. I've been dying to open this and try it. So I want to say this might have been $2 each as well. I'm not entirely sure. But it's just an angled makeup sponge. And this was in a Christmas display. And the last 2 items I have to share with you are also in Christmas displays. And these were $2 each as well. And these are 2 pieces, and this one is called This Is My Sweet Rush, and it's a lip balm and hand cream kit. And I think these make a great stocking stuffer, or just a little fluff for another gift. You get a Sweet Rush scented lip balm and a Sweet Rush hand cream, and I already smelled these. They smell sweet, they smell like vanilla. If you like that kind of scent, you would really like this. These are the only two they had. And this is the pink set. And then the hand cream is nice and thick as well. Already tried it. And then the last one and the other color in the set, or in this Christmas stuff, is blue. Some things are meant to be, and it's a lip balm and hand cream kit as well. And you get a cool mint lip balm and a cool mint hand cream. And this is nice and cooling sensation on your hands, and it's nice and thick and creamy. And the lip balms are moisturizing and hydrating, and they feel really nice and soft on your lips as well. So $2 each for these little gift things, and I just thought that I would give them a try. I love Ellie Colors. So this was all the new Ellie Colors stuff I found in the store. If they'd had more, I definitely would have bought them. But I hope you guys enjoyed the Family Dollar haul, and thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.